Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to look at how software testers can become RPA business analysts. Stay with us till the end of this video where we will share with you how you can download a free ebook on RPA. Guys, this is Abhinav Sabarwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. If you are new here, make sure to click subscribe button and check out all the links we have mentioned in this video. You can find the links in the comment section below, and if you are watching this video, I can safely assume that somewhere you are not satisfied in your current role in terms of growth and salary and want to shift to RPA for better prospects. Now, this is the right decision as in India there is not much of a growth for QA and manual testing role. A testing professional is required to thoroughly test the software developed to ensure if the software meets the end requirements of the customer. A business analyst is also responsible to verify whether the software built and delivered meets the end customer requirements. This aspect of both the roles makes it easier for a tester to switch to a business analyst role. If a BA and tester switch their roles, then each one of them can unleash their skill sets, which can benefit the project itself. When it comes to testing the software systems, both the tester and the BA work as two sides of the same coin. So, why should you become a RPA business analyst? Now, a career switch in business analysis is much more promising one in today's scenario. A business analyst is a much larger role when compared to testing or any other roles mentioned above. It's a promising career avenue with a lucrative one too. A tester who loves to travel across the globe can really enjoy a challenging and satisfying BA role. A business analyst can further climb the ladder to become lead or senior business analyst, consultant, product owner, or product manager, which are quite glamorous roles. Now, let us look at the roles and responsibilities of RPA business analyst. As a RPA business analyst are the people who can analyze business processes and business needs when defining the requirements for the application or integration. Now, a RPA business analyst is the gatekeeper of process automation pipeline. RPA business analyst also performs high level and deep process analysis and acts as an identifier of potential automation opportunities. RPA business analyst is also explorer of stoppers and obstacles, and he or she is the one that a development team goes to when they uh, face an automation obstacle in automation of the processes, right? Also, RPA business analysis is the face of automation team. He or she is the one who sits with the client and decides which process will go in automation pipeline and in what sequence. Now, the, how to shift careers successfully from QA to an RPA business analyst. Part of the attraction of becoming RPA business analyst is that it does not require a lot of time on your part. As a first step, sign up for a RPA business analyst course, then you can get certified. And since we help you with the placements, you can very soon be on your way to become a RPA business analyst. So, what salary can you expect if you become an RPA business analyst? Let's talk about the money. The one thing you want to know most about. Yes, we all want that good salary, and income is one of the things we consider while switching the careers. So, how does your income gets affected if you switch career from software testing to RPA business analyst? Let's look at some numbers. Now, a minimum salary, okay, of even a fresher RPA BA is in the range of 5 to 6 lakhs. Also, if you have some experience, doesn't matter you as a QA or as a testing professional or anything else also, and you switch to a RP business analyst, you will get a 50% hike on your current CTC. But Before you can get these things, you have to sign up for the RP Business Analyst course. You have to get certified and get properly trained as a RP Business Analyst. And then, of course, these two things is what you can achieve. So I also get this asked this question a lot. What is the scope of growth in this field? Some people ask me, okay, Abhinav, you know, I become a RP business analyst today, and I also get a good hike, and that is well and fine for today. What about tomorrow? What kind of a growth can I expect? In future. So my answer to that is, as you start your journey, you are at the bottom. Like you are here as a manual tester, and then you do a course from us, and you get certified, and you become a RPA business analyst. Then you are at stage two here, right? From there on, work in the company for 2 3 years, and you get promoted. Either you can become, as you get promoted, you can become a RP consultant, or you can switch again and become a RP consultant. There again, you will be spending at least 3 to 4 years, after which you can become an RP implementation manager. So if you're starting from QA or manual tester and your salary right now is like about in the range of 3 to 4 lakhs, that means immediately you get a salary of 6 lakhs the minute you become an RPA business analyst. From there, RPA consultant have a salary in the range of I would say 8 to 12 lakhs, and RPA implementation managers easily take home the 18 lakh rupees minimum. That is as of today. So now I'm sure you want to know how you can get started, and you might want to know a bit more about our course. So let me tell you how you can also learn RPA and earn high salary. You need to contact us. We'll be giving out our details in this video soon. So you need to contact us and sign up for the course. We do our courses online. It's an instructor-led course. It's not a recorded videos. It's an instructor-led course. You can do it online. We make sure you get certified. You can do it in a flexible timing. So I know a lot of you guys are working professionals, and it becomes very difficult. You are working your job, so we have flexible timings, and yes, we have a placement assistance. Do all that, and we help you get a high paying job. So this brings us to the end of our video. Now I'll put it a conclusion for you that if you want to switch your career, first make up your mind that you do really want to switch your career. Switching a career is not a joke. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes money. Yes. So this cannot be a very flimsy decision. This has to be a well thought out decision. So first make up your mind if you want to switch your career into RPA. RPA is a growing field, no doubt about that. Do your own research. You will find out the conclusion is the same. Once you have done that, once you have made up your mind, you know, contact us for a free personalized consultation. We have a free personalized consultation where we individually guide you depending upon your situation and what is the right path to take. We give out a demo lecture. If you like our lectures, if you like what you hear, sign up for our business analyst course, get certified, get trained as a business analyst, and yes, we help you with the placement as well. All right, guys, here is our contact details. Thank you for watching the video. If you are a QA and manual test engineer and feel that your career is plateaued, then do give us a call on 900 480 9189 for that free consultation. And let us guide you on how you too can become a RPA business analyst. Thank you for watching our video, guys. And yes, the link for the free ebook is given in comment section below. Click on it and you can download it from there. Thank you and bye bye.